voltage here, voltage here.
My name is Omar Perez. I am an HVAC mechanic for Cooper & Hawkins Engineering. When I got out of the military, I could have gone to a big university using my GI Bill, but I saw that Laney had the program.
We have courses specifically on energy efficiency that most of our students from here, they get jobs right away.
My baby brother got a bachelor's.
UC Riverside. I have my bachelor's in history. I got my first job in education and I saw my brother. As soon as he got his first HVAC job, he was already making more money than I was. I was at a point where all of my peers, they were either pursuing a master's degree or teaching credentials. And I was conflicted because my high school counselor made the trade seem like inferior to a four-year education. The market is saturated with individuals with bachelor's degrees. It really makes your bachelor's degree seem less significant. Community college, energy efficiency, it's the future. You can work anywhere with a trade. You can work anywhere. Everywhere you go, there's always going to be air conditioning and refrigeration. And that's the beauty of it, that I can go to another country where I don't know the language, but I know they're going to need refrigeration and air conditioning.